What is a DSers account? I'm sure you've seen those ads for DSers popping up all over the internet. But what is it, and is it worth it? In this video, I'm going to give you the lowdown on DSers and help you decide if it's the right tool for you. What is DSers? DSers is a dropshipping platform that allows you to sell products on your own website without having to carry any inventory. Instead, you simply list the products on your website and DSers will take care of the rest. When a customer places an order, DSers will purchase the product from a supplier and ship it directly to the customer. How does DSers work? To use DSers, you first need to create an account. Once you've done that, you can start adding products to your website. You can either add products manually or use DSers' built-in product research tool. Once you've added products to your website, you can start promoting them to potential customers. What are the benefits of using DSers? There are a number of benefits to using DSers. Here are a few of the most important. No need to carry inventory. This means you don't have to worry about stocking or storing products. Low startup costs. You can start using DSers for free, and there are no monthly fees. Easy to use. DSers is a very user-friendly platform. Wide range of products. DSers has a huge database of products that you can sell. Fast shipping. DSers offers a variety of shipping options, including standard shipping and expedited shipping. Excellent customer support. DSers has a team of customer support representatives who are available to help you 24/7. What are the drawbacks of using DSers? There are also a few drawbacks to using DSers. Here are a few of the most important. You don't have control over the quality of the products. DSers sources products from a variety of suppliers, so you can't always guarantee the quality of the products you sell. You can't negotiate prices with suppliers. DSers sets the prices for the products you sell, so you can't negotiate with suppliers to get better prices. You may have to pay import duties. If you sell products that are shipped from overseas, you may have to pay import duties. You're responsible for customer service. If a customer has a problem with a product, you're the one who will have to deal with it. Is DSers right for you? Whether or not DSers is right for you depends on your individual circumstances. If you're looking for an easy and affordable way to start an online store, then DSers is a great option. However, if you're looking for more control over the products you sell and the prices you charge, then DSers may not be the right choice for you. Here are a few things to consider when deciding whether or not to use DSers. Your budget. How much are you willing to spend on starting an online store? Your time commitment. How much time are you willing to dedicate to running your online store? Your level of technical expertise. How comfortable are you with using technology? Your product selection. What types of products do you want to sell? If you're still not sure whether or not DSers is right for you, I recommend that you sign up for a free trial account. This will allow you to try out DSers and see if it's the right tool for you. So, what is a DSers account? It's a dropshipping platform that allows you to sell products on your own website without having to carry any inventory. DSers has a number of benefits, including low startup costs, easy to use, and a wide range of products. However, there are also some drawbacks, such as the fact that you don't have control over the quality of the products you sell. Whether or not DSers is right for you depends on your individual circumstances. If you're looking for an easy and affordable way to start an online store, then DSers is a great option. However, if you're looking for more control over the products you sell and the prices you charge, then DSers may not be the right choice for you. I hope this video has helped you learn more about DSers. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.